Hey guys, welcome to Stability Before Strength. My name is Oscar and I'll be your guide through this 13-week training plan. This is week 3, day 5, and this workout burns between 1,238 calories to 1,367 calories. We are going to start with the warm-up routine. Here's the list of all the warm-up drills. You can click on the link to start the warm-up and then come back for part 2. Today we will continue to run for 30 to 60 minutes or 4 to 8 miles at a comfortable pace. The purpose of today's workout is to continue to increase your aerobic base as well as the physiological adaptations such as increasing your stroke volume, plasma volume, red blood cell production, doubling your mitochondrial cells, increasing the enzymes which help break down fat and use it as fuel, as well as many others. Phase 1 is very important because it lays the foundation to the next phase which starts next week. You can think about it this way. If you were an engineer and building a skyscraper, you want to make sure the building has a strong foundation, or else you will start to encounter problems when you begin construction. This is why these runs play an important role in any training program. As soon as you're done with today's running workout, go into part 3 and do the exercise routine for today. Part 3 of the training program is an upper body and posture exercise routine to help you build endurance and stability, which will help you decrease the chance of running injuries and help you run faster. Here's the list of all the exercises for today's workout routine. You can click on the link and it will take you straight into today's workout routine. This workout burns 276 calories if you finish one set of each exercise, which I highly recommend for the first few weeks because this workout is challenging. But if you do 2 sets of each exercise, then you'll be burning 552 calories. This workout takes about 25 to 30 minutes to complete. As soon as you're done with part 3, go straight into a cool down routine. Here's the list of all the stretches that are included in this routine. You can click on the link to guide you through all the stretches. That's it for today. Remember that this is phase 1 and that each phase lasts 3 weeks for a total of 13 weeks before the half marathon. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative. See you guys later.